In today's video, I will be talking you through my natural hair journey, talking to you about comfort and confidence of wearing your natural hair, climate of growing your natural hair, setbacks. I'll be talking about itchy and flaky scalp. Also be talking to you about vitamins, hair products, growing out bald edges, cutting and transitioning, and also hair regimen. Let's get into today's video. So really my motivation behind this video was to talk you through how I grew my natural hair long. If you've been on my channel for a while, you would have known that I've not had long hair all my life. Hence, I'm showing you pictures of my natural hair journey. My channel is geared towards growing natural hair, especially if you've never had long hair before. Welcome and welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel, checking out my content, and also leaving me a comment. Let's get into today's video. So my natural hair journey has been a really interesting one. I've never, like in my teenage years, in my childhood, had long hair before. My hair has been jerry curled before. My hair has been Texlax before, and my hair has been natural but treated really badly, as in I didn't know the products. And so this channel really is charting this chapter of my life, showing anyone that it's possible to grow your natural hair out. And I hope you are getting some inspiration of seeing pictures, before and after pictures of my natural hair journey as I talk you through these hair care tips is in no particular order. There have been questions on some of my videos, and I've grouped them into these topics to cover your natural hair journey, how I grew my natural hair long. The very first thing I'm going to talk about is comfort and confidence. And really, when you have been covering your hair a lot with weaves or wigs, or you've had short natural hair, the tendency is to cover that away. And I think that my natural hair journey really took off when I decided to be comfortable and have confidence in wearing my natural hair. I accepted that this is what my hair looks like, and I was going to wear it out. And so because I was going to wear it out, I decided I needed to take really good care of that. I think if you are new on your natural hair journey, the very first thing to do is to get comfortable with that texture, get comfortable with your hair, and be confident in wearing it out. And that will give you the motivation to grow out your natural hair. The next point is climate. I'm going to show you my natural hair. Hair is quite damaged, it's long, but in this video my hair is quite damaged. Now, it was damaged from wearing crochet braids, but at this point I'm going to talk to you about climate, understanding the different climates if you're in a country like Europe where you've got the seasons, and taking care of your hair through those seasons. I've got plenty of videos on my channel talking you through winter hair care regimen and summer hair care regimen. That is because our hair has additional needs during those times. So you want to, if it's the summer, for example, you make sure you're adding in moisture. And if it's the winter, you want to talk about protecting your hair from the colder climate so that your hair doesn't break. So you want to be mindful of taking care of your hair through the seasons. And as I said, I've got lots of videos. I will try to link that on, making sure you have a good regimen. So I'm going to talk about regimen here. Regimen is the basis of hair care. It's basically what you're going to be doing to your natural hair when. It's very important that you do this in order to grow your natural hair. And as I show you this video, taking you through me preparing my natural hair for installing braids, mini braids on my natural hair, it goes from Sunday to the end of the week, and it leads up from protein treatment to get my hair ready, and that's through henna treatments and other natural hair care treatments that's really helped me. And apologies for my voice, I do have allergies this time of year. Talk about vitamins and minerals. I don't take any additional vitamins for my hair. I probably should. Sometimes I take the odd vitamin D hair or odd vitamin C hair, but I try to get my nutrients through my food. There is many hair vitamins that you can get, but because of the biotin, and I've reacted badly to biotin, I tend to stay away from vitamins specifically for growing natural hair. So my hair just grew because I left it alone in long-term protective style. It wasn't down to vitamin, but certainly you can find some vitamins to help you on your natural hair journey. So you will see tremendous progress if you have a monthly, a weekly, a quarterly, and yearly routine. Your hair needs to be trimmed on a certain day. Your hair needs to have some proteins on a certain day, and certainly keeping up with regular wash days. If you're going to be adding in growth treatment, all of that needs to be charted down so that you know how to take care of your natural hair. That is how I grew my natural hair out. I literally made a plan through my regimen of how I was going to do this, and I'm not very far from waist length Some might say I'm there, but I'm not claiming it just yet from never having long hair before. So it's certainly possible. And that is week by week, I know what I'm going to be doing to my hair. Month by month, I know what I'm going to do. I've got challenges to get me to those bigger goals. And if I keep my hair in long-term protective styles, which I'll cover right here, you will get there. So basically, how did I grow my natural hair out? I grew my natural hair out by leaving it alone in long-term protective style. And most ladies that you will see on YouTube, we have one thing in common. We leave our hair alone for a long period of time. You might see plenty of videos on our channel, but sometimes we batch film content, and most of the time our hair is covered. And that is me being completely transparent with you. My hair is in mini braids at the moment. It's a 12-week challenge. That means for 12 weeks my hair is growing. I'm not in there doing anything, and that is how I grew it. It will grow anyway. If I added, I've been using virgin hair fertilizer, but if I left my hair alone, not touching it for most of the year, I would retain the length. My hair would grow and I would retain the length. So that's exactly how I grew my hair, by leaving it alone. Now that can be challenging, especially if you're new on your natural hair journey and you like to put your hand in your hair. I say leave it in something like mini braids, mini twists, crochet braids if done properly, added hair if done properly, but certainly doing twist and braid on your own natural hair will help you to leave it alone, and you will see tremendous growth. Next up, I'm going to talk about products. I am a product junkie. I used to just buy products because I like them. But specifically now in my natural hair journey, I have specific products for a specific reason. It means that I have a shampoo, a conditioner, I have a growth aid. I also have leave-in conditioner that I use sparingly. And I have my S-Curl. I have something to seal my hair, namely grease or castor oil. Those are my products. That's a basic. Keep your natural hair care regimen, products and regimen very, very simple. You will be able to maintain it and grow your natural hair out. If you are enjoying today's video, do give this video a like. Also, please do leave me a comment and also subscribe to my channel for plenty more hair care tips. Next up, I'm going to be talking about bald edges. I've had problems with my edges through hormones and through really incorrect styling, and leaving my natural hair alone in long-term protective style has been a way that I've seen my edges coming back. They are growing back thicker than ever before. So if you want to grow your edges out, try not to do any styles that will pull on that is tight, and make sure that you leave your edges alone. If you're going to be doing long-term braids and such, try to redo your braids. I'm going to be talking a little bit about trimming now. So I trim my hair once a quarter now. That means I am due a trim soon, and I'll be putting that video out. But I do have trimming videos on my channel if you want to check those out. I tend to trim my hair in mini braids or mini twists so that I can see exactly the amount of hair that I'm going to cut off. Make sure that you maintain your hair through a trim, or you're going to grow out long stringy hair and you're still going to want to cut it. So try to trim it as often as it is needed, but you don't have to trim it because it's a scheduled 6-week trim. Look at your hair and see if there are bits on it that needs to be trimmed, and also just get rid of those bits. So next up, I'm going to talk about scalp. I've got issues with my scalp, namely dermatitis, trying to keep on top of that. And I've talked to you in some videos. I've got a video on dealing with itchy, flaky, dry scalp, washing your hair. Make sure you wash your hair every week, and make sure you put something like sulfur-based product on there to ensure that that dandruff is kept at bay and to treat your scalp from that condition. I do want to say, check out the playlist section of my channel. There's plenty of videos here on Simply Chev talking to you about growing natural hair. My channel will be gearing into personal growth, working on that content for you. So lots more coming up. Check out my playlist for plenty more. So I did transition my natural hair from Texlax and from Jerry curls back to natural. When you're transitioning your hair, be careful of the line of demarcation where your natural hair meets the relaxed hair, and you can transition successfully just cutting off bit by bit. It's possible. I do have a video on my channel about how to transition your hair. I will try to link it in this video. Also, I want to talk to you about just being motivated to do this natural hair journey. It is a long time. From 2007, I've been on my natural hair journey. I have been closer to waist length with very damaged hair, so I don't count that. Now I'm really just getting to waist length. My hair does grow really slowly. So if you are a slow hair grower, also be encouraged. It is possible to grow out your natural hair. I hope you've enjoyed today's natural hair journey video, talking to you about the comfort and confidence needed to grow your natural hair, taking care of your hair through different climates, dealing with itchy, dry scalp, vitamin suggestions or products that you may use, dealing with bald edges, cutting, transitioning your hair. And I'm just going to talk a little bit here about setbacks. I have had many of setbacks also on this channel, detailed for you. Setbacks is part of your natural hair journey. And so if you're going through a setback, if you thought your hair was going to be healthy and it's not at this point, be encouraged. Your hair can grow out. Look at my hair in this picture and look at my hair now. My hair is completely transformed by having patience and dealing with my natural hair. So you'll need a bucket load of patience on your natural hair journey. And remember, this channel is here to support you in every way. Pop your questions down below and I'm very, very happy to answer them. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care, God bless, and bye-bye.